All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. You're looking at the Digirig mobile. Now I picked up one of these and I figured I'd do a what's inside, see what it looks like. So from the outside we have our USB-C connection. Nice to see that versus a micro USB. And we have our audio and serial connection. Now this is to plug in our cables. Kind of something like this. This cable here will plug into this unit, and that will go into my FTM 100 radio. So then this can get plugged into a Raspberry Pi or whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and see what it is, see what it looks like inside. Now, I wouldn't advise really doing this. There's really no need to, but I like tearing things apart to see what's going on. So, seems like this is a two-piece box, so we might be able to just tear a couple of screws out and see if we can get somewhere. All right, so there's that. So we'll go ahead and take off the other end, and we can just slide the board out because it should be in grooves in the enclosure. And as you can see, that's how it is. So we can just slide this guy out. And there's the bottom part of it. And there's what, turn it around. And there's what the top part looks like. So that's pretty much it. We have our box, our enclosure, two-piece with two separate ends and 8 screws. And that's pretty much it. So stay tuned, and we'll be making some videos of this. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.